Hey there! Glad to see you back on the channel. Tired of dealing with cluttered seats, messy floors, or a trunk that's always out of order? Your Volkswagen Atlas deserves better, and so do you. In this video, we're checking out 25 awesome accessories made just for the Atlas that'll make your everyday drive smoother and more comfortable. From smart organizers and protective gear to small upgrades that add a touch of style, these picks will help you keep your SUV clean, organized, and ready for anything. And the best part? You can find everything right on Amazon, so if something catches your eye, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Let's jump into the video and check them out. Very first on the list is center console organizer for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas cabin organized and clutter-free with this custom-fit center console organizer that provides multiple compartments for keys, coins, cards, and small essentials. Made from durable ABS plastic with non-slip liners, it prevents items from sliding while driving and stays securely in place for a perfect fit, blending seamlessly with your console. This simple yet practical upgrade makes your daily drives more convenient, helping you stay focused on the road while keeping everything you need within easy reach and ensuring your Atlas interior remains neat and tidy at all times. Next on the list is floor mats for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect the interior of your Volkswagen Atlas with these high-quality floor mats that are designed to guard against mud, water, snow, and spills while maintaining a sleek and stylish look. Made from durable all-weather TPE, they feature raised edges that keep dirt contained and an anti-slip backing that ensures the mats stay firmly in place during every drive. Custom cut for a perfect fit, these mats are easy to clean and built to last, providing long-lasting protection while keeping your Atlas interior looking fresh, clean, and ready for any adventure or daily commute. Next accessory in our list is trunk mat for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas cargo area protected and organized with this heavy-duty trunk mat that shields against dirt, spills, and scratches no matter what you carry. Crafted from durable waterproof material, it offers a non-slip surface to keep your items stable while driving and features precise contours that ensure full coverage of your cargo space. This practical and easy-to-clean accessory not only protects your trunk from everyday wear and tear, but also keeps it looking brand new, making it ideal for families, travelers, or anyone who wants their Atlas interior neat and ready for any journey. The next must-have on our list is rain guards for Volkswagen Atlas. Enjoy fresh air and drive comfortably in any weather with these rain guards for your Volkswagen Atlas, allowing you to crack the windows while keeping rain, wind, and snow out. Made from durable acrylic with a sleek smoked finish, they enhance both the functionality and style of your vehicle and are precision cut to fit perfectly over your windows. Installation is quick and easy using strong adhesive tape, and the guards provide excellent airflow control while protecting your interior from the elements. This smart upgrade adds convenience, comfort, and a touch of sophistication to your Atlas driving experience in all conditions. Coming in next, we have cup holder insert door liners for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas interior clean and organized with these cup holder insert and door liners that prevent crumbs, dust, and spills from reaching hard-to-clean areas. Made from flexible and durable rubber, they are easy to remove for washing and provide a snug custom fit to stay in place while driving. These liners not only protect your interior but also add convenience by keeping small items stable and reducing noise, making every drive more enjoyable. A practical and stylish upgrade, they help maintain the pristine look of your Atlas cabin and make daily cleaning fast and effortless. Next add-on in our list is retractable trunk cover for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your belongings safe and out of sight with this retractable trunk cover for your Volkswagen Atlas, designed to provide privacy and protection for your cargo area. Crafted from durable, tear-resistant material, it smoothly extends when you need it and retracts easily when not in use, giving you maximum flexibility. The custom-fit design integrates seamlessly with your Atlas, preventing items from shifting while adding a sleek, professional look to your trunk. This accessory is perfect for protecting valuables, reducing clutter, and enhancing the overall style and functionality of your vehicle for everyday use and long trips. Next on the list is rear bumper protector for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect the rear of your Volkswagen Atlas from scratches, scuffs, and minor impacts with this durable rear bumper protector that is custom molded for a perfect fit. Made from high-quality rubberized material, it provides long-lasting defense against luggage, groceries, pets, and everyday wear and tear. Installation is simple, requiring no tools, and the non-slip design ensures it stays in place while complementing your Atlas exterior. This practical accessory preserves your vehicle's appearance, maintains its value, and adds an extra layer of protection while making your daily drives worry-free and convenient. Next accessory in our list is roof rack's crossbar for Volkswagen Atlas. Transform your Volkswagen Atlas into the ultimate adventure vehicle with these strong and lightweight roof rack crossbars that provide support for luggage, bikes, kayaks, and other gear. Built from high-quality aluminum, they are designed to be aerodynamic, reducing wind noise and drag for a smooth, efficient ride. The custom fit ensures easy installation and seamless integration with your factory mounts, while the durable construction provides stability and reliability for all your outdoor adventures. This versatile upgrade allows you to carry more, explore further, and enjoy complete confidence in your Atlas, whether on a road trip, family outing, or weekend adventure. The next must-have on our list is key fob cover for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect your Volkswagen Atlas key fob from scratches, drops, and daily wear with this premium cover that combines durability and style. Made from soft silicone or leather, it fits snugly around your key while maintaining full access to all buttons and functions. The cover adds a sleek, modern look to your key while keeping it safe from damage and extending its lifespan. This simple accessory is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their Atlas key secure and looking brand new every day. Coming in next, we have door organizer tray for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas cabin neat and functional with this versatile door organizer tray that provides extra space for small items like phones, cards, coins, or snacks. Made from durable plastic with a custom fit design, it integrates perfectly into your door panel, staying securely in place while driving. Installation is quick and requires no tools, and its sleek design matches the interior styling of your Atlas, offering both practicality and a refined look for everyday use. Next add-on in our list is Windshield Sunshade for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas interior cool and protected with this custom-fit windshield sunshade that blocks harmful UV rays and reduces cabin heat during sunny days. Made from reflective, high-quality material, it prevents dashboard fading and protects electronics from heat damage while providing a comfortable environment when you return to your vehicle. The sunshade is easy to unfold, place, and remove, offering hassle-free use and compact storage. A simple yet essential accessory, it helps preserve your Atlas interior, extends the life of your materials, and ensures a cooler, more enjoyable ride every day. Next on the list is screen protector for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect your Volkswagen Atlas infotainment screen from scratches, fingerprints, and smudges with this durable screen protector. Designed for a perfect fit, it adheres smoothly to the surface without bubbles or gaps and preserves touch sensitivity and clarity. The high-quality material ensures long-lasting protection while maintaining a clean, clear view of your display. Installation is easy, and the protector can be removed or replaced without leaving residue. Next accessory in our list is dashboard cover mat for Volkswagen Atlas. Shield your Volkswagen Atlas dashboard from sun damage, glare, and cracks with this heat-resistant, non-slip dashboard cover mat that provides long-lasting protection and style. Made to follow every contour of your dashboard, it fits perfectly and stays in place, even during long drives. The soft material also reduces reflection on the windshield, enhancing visibility and driving safety. Quick and easy to install, this accessory preserves the interior finish of your Atlas while adding a touch of elegance, making your cabin comfortable, protected, and stylish every time you drive. The next must-have on our list is armrest cover for Volkswagen Atlas. Enhance the comfort and protection of your Volkswagen Atlas center armrest with this soft padded armrest cover that guards against scratches, spills, and daily wear. Made from durable and easy-to-clean material, it provides a luxurious feel and additional cushioning for your arm during long drives. The snug fit ensures it stays securely in place without sliding, and installation is quick with no tools required. This simple yet effective upgrade not only protects your armrest, but also adds a refined, stylish touch to your Atlas interior for daily comfort and convenience. Coming in next, we have running board side step for Volkswagen Atlas. Make entering and exiting your Volkswagen Atlas easier and more stylish with these durable running board side steps that provide extra support and safety for passengers. Built from high-strength materials with a non-slip surface, they withstand daily use and harsh weather conditions while enhancing the SUV's rugged look. The custom-fit design ensures seamless integration with your Atlas frame, and installation is straightforward with all hardware included. This practical upgrade adds convenience, protection, and a bold aesthetic, making your Atlas more functional and attractive for every journey. Next add-on in our list is Class 3 trailer hitch for Volkswagen Atlas. Upgrade your Volkswagen Atlas towing capabilities with this Class 3 trailer hitch that delivers strength, reliability, and versatility for all your hauling needs. Built from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, it allows you to tow bikes, cargo carriers, or small trailers with confidence. The precision-fit design ensures secure installation without modifying your Atlas frame, and its durable construction stands up to daily use and harsh weather. This essential accessory transforms your Atlas into a powerful adventure companion, making it easier than ever to transport gear, travel with family, or tackle weekend projects with ease. Next on the list is leather seat covers for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect and upgrade your Volkswagen Atlas interior with these premium leather seat covers that combine luxury, comfort, and durability. Designed to fit precisely over your seats, they guard against spills, stains, and daily wear while giving your cabin a refined, elegant look. The breathable material keeps you comfortable during long drives in both summer and winter, and installation is quick and easy without tools. A practical yet stylish upgrade, these seat covers preserve your Atlas interior, enhance driving comfort, and add a touch of sophistication that elevates your everyday ride. Next accessory in our list is dashboard organizer tray for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas cabin organized with this versatile dashboard organizer tray that provides a convenient place for phones, sunglasses, keys, or other small essentials. Made from durable, high-quality material, it fits securely on your dashboard and prevents items from sliding while driving. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with your Atlas interior while maximizing storage and minimizing clutter. A simple upgrade that improves convenience and accessibility, it helps you stay focused on the road while keeping your everyday items within easy reach for a cleaner, more functional cabin. The next must-have on our list is elastic trunk storage net for Volkswagen Atlas. Maximize the utility of your Volkswagen Atlas cargo area with this elastic trunk storage net that keeps groceries, sports gear, and other items secure during transit. Made from strong, stretchable material, it attaches easily to existing anchor points in your trunk and prevents items from rolling around while driving. The compact, foldable design allows for flexible storage and easy removal when not needed. This practical accessory helps maintain order in your cargo area, protects your belongings, and ensures that your Atlas stays organized and clutter-free for daily commutes or long trips. Coming in next, we have aluminum alloy AC knob cover trim for Volkswagen Atlas. Upgrade the interior styling of your Volkswagen Atlas with this aluminum alloy AC knob that combines durability and a premium metallic finish. Designed to replace your factory knob, it fits perfectly and allows smooth, precise operation while adding a sleek, modern accent to your dashboard. The high-quality material resists wear and fading, ensuring it maintains its polished appearance over time. Easy to install without any modifications, this accessory enhances both the functionality and aesthetics of your Atlas interior, giving it a more refined, stylish, and professional look every time you adjust the climate controls. Next add-on in our list is full car cover fits for Volkswagen Atlas. Protect your Volkswagen Atlas from dust, rain, snow, and harsh sun with this full car cover designed to fit perfectly over your vehicle. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof, and breathable material, it shields your paint and exterior from scratches, fading, and weather damage while maintaining airflow to prevent moisture buildup. The custom fit ensures a snug look, and the elastic hem with adjustable straps keeps it securely in place even on windy days. This essential accessory preserves your Atlas exterior, keeps it looking pristine, and provides peace of mind whether your SUV is parked outdoors or in the garage. Next on the list is seat gap filler for Volkswagen Atlas. Stop losing small items between the seats and console with this practical seat gap filler for your Volkswagen Atlas, designed to fit perfectly in the narrow space and block gaps where coins, phones, and other essentials often slip. Made from durable leather or foam material, it stays firmly in place without sliding while blending seamlessly with your interior styling. Installation is quick and requires no tools, and the filler adds a touch of organization while keeping the cabin tidy. A small but highly effective upgrade, it enhances convenience, reduces frustration, and helps maintain a cleaner, more comfortable driving environment. Next accessory in our list is trunk organizer for Volkswagen Atlas. Keep your Volkswagen Atlas cargo area organized with this spacious trunk organizer that offers multiple compartments for groceries, sports equipment, tools, and other essentials. Made from high-quality, durable fabric with reinforced sides, it prevents items from shifting while driving and folds flat for easy storage when not in use. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place, and the sturdy handles make it easy to carry items in and out of the trunk. This accessory maximizes cargo space, reduces clutter, and helps maintain a neat and practical SUV interior for everyday errands and long trips. The next must-have on our list is car back seat organizer for Volkswagen Atlas. Transform your Volkswagen Atlas backseat area with this multi-pocket backseat organizer that provides storage for tablets, bottles, snacks, toys, and travel essentials. Made from durable, easy-to-clean material, it attaches securely to the back of the front seats without damaging the upholstery. The multiple compartments keep your items organized, accessible, and off the floor, making long drives more comfortable for both adults and children. A smart and practical upgrade, it improves convenience, reduces clutter, and enhances the overall passenger experience in your Atlas. Coming in next, we have multi-purpose car table for Volkswagen Atlas. Make your Volkswagen Atlas interior more functional with this multi-purpose car table, perfect for meals, work, or entertainment on the go. Designed to fit securely on the passenger seat or attached to the back seat area, it provides a stable surface for laptops, tablets, food, or documents. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it folds compactly when not in use for convenient storage. This versatile accessory enhances comfort, productivity, and convenience for drivers and passengers alike, turning your Atlas into a practical mobile workspace or dining area during long trips, commutes, or outdoor adventures. These were 25 different accessories you can add to your Volkswagen Atlas. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.